Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to sign up on Huobi Pro. So first, click sign up. Then enter your nationality. Then enter your email. Then password, the confirm password. Then enter the invitation code. Only fill in here if you have. Then click I agree to the terms of use. Then click sign up. Then follow the details that we'll tell you. So I'm going to end the video right here. Subscribe to my channel. Go to the weird squares to find more information. Don't forget to like my channel.